Now today is the second part of our lecture, IELTS writing task 2. See, I have not erased it. The same statement. We'll learn how to start our IELTS writing essay, agree, disagree. Okay? Now, but prior to that, I gave you, think of the ideas of the essays. So did you do it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
How many essays? Naval, for how many essays you thought ideas?
6 or 7?
Now tell me, 6 or 7?
6 or 7. Agree, disagree.
Means prior to that, just tell me. Because many students, they face this problem, ma'am, we don't have the ideas in our IELTS essays. So that's why I stopped the lecture, my previous lecture, up to that only, that so that you can think on the ideas, like how to get the ideas, in IELTS essays practically.
Yes,
For example, means be on the stage.
yes.
Okay? For example, here, some people say that thinking about the future and planning for the future is waste of time. Similarly, you also may think like this. We should live in the present. Means those people are suggesting us, as I said you in my previous lecture also, you can also think like this, that we should live in the present or not. Alright, so you thought about the ideas?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Now, can you give me again those ideas? Here, agree. Yes, agree. Agree means thinking about the future is waste of time. Come on, first idea.
You can enjoy your life.
Enjoy. Wow, Darshan. Nice. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the present. Properly you can enjoy the present.
Yes.
Sure. Alright. Any other reason?
Tension or stress.
Sorry?
Free from
Depression of the future?
Free from tension.
Sorry? Free from tension of the future? Okay. Free from tension of the future. Any other?
Failure, stress.
Okay, failure, stress also. Alright, you can say no problem. Failure.
time.
Sorry? Yes, waste of time. So that's good. Means you did your homework. Waste of time. Now second, disagree. Many people are disagree also. Tell me. Okay, disagree. First reason?
Emergency.
Yeah, goals are very much necessary to do hard work. Alright, goals are necessary to do hard work. Any other?
Emergency.
Emergency situations?
Manage time.
Saving is necessary.
Yes.
Time management,
Time
we
management.
learn if we think about the future. Alright, so time management. Any other reason?
Setting goals and then doing hard work.
It becomes easier. Okay, that will do. Now finish?
Yeah.
So it means that you did your homework. That's nice. Okay, now first of all, before doing, I would like to say you that in our agree disagree essay, there are, if you are totally agree or totally disagree, then we have total 5 paragraphs. Number 1, introduction. Please, it's very, very, very much important. Okay? Second, body 1, body 2, third paragraph. Fourth, body 3. And fifth one is conclusion. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is for what? 100% agree. I want to suggest you that please, not 250 words. Try to reach the limit of 280 words. Why? Because you people do repetition also. Majority of the people, they don't have that lexical resource, means vocabulary power. Fine. So for those people also, I want to suggest you that at least getting 6 pence. Repetition is not allowed. So go to the limit of 280 words or 300 words, not 250 words. Now let's go. See, introduction. Minimum 35 and maximum 40 words. Okay? Conclusion 35 to 40 words. Body 1, body 2. Body 1, if you disagree, then first paragraph of body is 100% disagree, second paragraph is 100% disagree. If you are agree, then first paragraph is agree, second paragraph is agree. Because many people do do what? They are disagree, but body 1 they write down agree, and body 2 and body 3 they write down disagree, that's wrong. Similarly, body 3 would be agree or disagree. So, understand?
Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Means little reverse. Because I agree, suppose I agree, but some people they do disagree also. I disagree, but some people they do agree also. So you need to give the reasons for your opinion also and some people also. Understand?
Yes.
Now word limit for here. Minimum, let it be 70 or 75 words. Let it be 70 or 75 words. Means body 1 and body 2 number of words are equal, and body 3 you can have remaining, let it be 60 or 65 words. So 75, 150, 150 plus 65 is 215, 215 plus 80, 40 or 40? 215 plus 80 is 295.
Near about 300.
Near about 300? So, because of number of words, the examiner would not deduct our banks. Understand?
Yes.
So, we are minding this lecture. The third part of this lecture will continue later. Okay? Now, again, just go to the structure. First of all, because many people they do not know the format and they write down or they start or end the essay differently. Okay? So the third part of this essay, next I'll teach you introduction and next I'll teach you body. Any doubt?
No.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.